We got Brickmans on top of Brickmans. You know what I'm saying? Brickman special. Yeah, guys, sorry I haven't actually filmed anything, but I was just doing an install in Arizona. Flew here. Zach and Frank were very nice and drove my truck to Ohio for me. They picked me up from the airport in it, and we're just dropping the trailer for tomorrow. We'll come back, check it out. I'll show you the place here in a minute. Oh yeah, look at that, Miata Power and Jack Motorsports. Everybody's here. Check it out. Got a skeleton crew tonight, but a lot more people are showing up into tomorrow. The track's set up, check it out. Just a quick look at it. Looks like we'll start here. Do the outer bungee, inside clip, outer wall, outer clip, bungee, inner clip, bungee, outer zone, end. The clutch is slipping or something. We're pulling the transmission out right now. Broken drive shaft.
Alright, so yeah, car makes a lot of fucking power. We just pulled a whole transmission thinking the clutches were done when in reality the drive shaft's in 2 pieces, so go get a new one.
Yeah, we are literally driving right now to a drive shaft shop and buying a new drive shaft. Alright, we're on the way back to the track. We got the drive shaft. They came in clutch. Are a little bit longer on time than we would have liked, but we're still going to make it back with a little over an hour of practice left, and there's probably going to be no one in line, so we'll just be hot lapping anyways. Get the car dialed in and hopefully be ready for tomorrow. Fingers crossed. Packed up, as you can tell. Car is in the trailer. Jake's here. Hi. Yeah, so we're gonna go get dinner. Come back tomorrow. Car's ready. Oil change is done. Gaskets changed out. And yeah.
9:30.
Fingers crossed. Those Bolinos are awesome. We are heading up to the driver's meeting.
Hey, don't follow that chase driver, or lead drivers. They're going somewhere dangerous.
You shovel 3 pancakes at a time into your mouth and drink the syrup while you drive.
No, I usually eat while I'm driving to work, and that's why.
You know you can just take one pancake off the top, like roll it up.
You know this is way more efficient, right?
Gets out in front and spreads out this huge proximity gap. So Thomas Miata unfortunately shutting it down. Unfortunately shutting it down earlier, but luckily getting it back into drift quickly, possibly popping out of gear as he came off the track. But Dan Perlinfine able to adapt in the chase position as Thomas Miata reinitiated half. transition into the infield. On that corner, he slowed down. He was notorious for it on his previous runs. Thomas Palmerino with the purple Miata chasing him down.
Don't forget that H. That's very important. Don't forget the H. We got everybody chilling. Jimmy on the grill. Awesome. There's Zach over there.
Wait, did I get skipped over?
No, Zach waved. I was only doing Jimmy. Okay, Jimmy, Stevie, Zach, Jada, Jake. We got Frank. We got Freddie here. We got Heather here. We got Tyler here. Chris is here too. We got Alex here.
My role is important. I burnt the bacon.
Is the bacon burnt?
The fucking mac and cheese.
Tyler
I
did the
fucking
mac.
stirred that.
We got mac and cheese, asparagus, hot dogs, hamburgers, cheeseburgers, hella chicken,
But you know, I
steaks.
kind of like the border right between the...
That's where we fucked up.
How bad did I do out there? Fucking up all over. Terrible.
Would you like a competition 5-minute timeout?
Yes, I would. Please go back to your quarters. If this is not
Remember, don't force it. Two,
I'm just trying to put the cap on the video. Cap it up.
some guy watched some porn.